Have you ever found yourself with a huge to-do list, a big dream, or an important project? But instead of starting, you're just waiting for the perfect time, the right mood, or that magical burst of motivation. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. We all fall into this trap of waiting for the perfect moment. But here's a secret. The perfect moment doesn't exist. It's a myth, a beautiful excuse our brains create to stay in our comfort zones. Think about it. When has everything ever been absolutely perfect for you to start something new? There's always a reason to wait. You're too tired today. You'll have more energy tomorrow. You need to do more research. You're not quite ready. The list goes on and on. This is procrastination in its sneakiest form. It disguises itself as preparation and planning, but really, it's just fear of not being good enough, fear of failing, or even fear of success. So, how do we break free? The answer is surprisingly simple, though not always easy. You have to start right where you are with exactly what you have. Don't wait for a better set of tools, a bigger budget, or more knowledge. The most successful people didn't wait for perfection. They started with messy, imperfect action. They learned and adapted along the way. Your journey begins with a single small step taken today, not a giant leap planned for some imaginary perfect tomorrow. Let's make this practical. What's one thing you've been putting off? Maybe it's starting a workout routine, writing the first page of a book, or organizing that cluttered closet. Don't think about the entire project. That's overwhelming. Instead, focus on the smallest possible action you can take right now. You don't need to run a marathon. Just put on your running shoes. You don't need to write a chapter. Just write one sentence. You don't need to clean the whole house. Just clear one small surface. This is the power of the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This simple habit builds momentum. Each small action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. It proves to your brain that you are a person who takes action, who follows through. That momentum is what carries you forward, turning small steps into significant progress. It's like starting a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but it picks up speed and size as it goes. Imagine your future self a year from now. Do you want to be in the exact same spot, still waiting for that perfect moment? Or do you want to look back and see how far you've come? All because you decided to start today. The resources you have right now, your current skills, your current knowledge, your current environment are enough to begin. The act of starting is what unlocks new resources, new opportunities, and new motivation. Motivation doesn't lead to action. Action leads to motivation. So, here's your challenge for today. Pick one thing, just one, that you've been procrastinating on. Break it down into the smallest possible first step and do it. Right after this video ends, don't think, just do. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, expect it to be imperfect. The goal isn't a flawless result. The goal is simply to start, to break the cycle of waiting, and to step into the power of doing. Stop waiting for the stars to align. They never will. The only perfect moment to start building the life you want is right now, with what you have from where you are. You are more capable than you think. You have everything you need to take that first step. Go do it. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos to help you level up your life. I'll see you in the next one.